At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed.
I was away from Ghana. I was in Germany, and I mean, video be in the video no na actor company and a woman and mzena inswe you in fie na onemwa or church among for say ohiamwa. In fact, I posted it. Comments, help came from different angles, and I was like, when I come to Ghana, the little I can also do to help him, for him to also get out of the situation. No, I'll come here and help him. All the way from Accra, Zionfelix, I'm here at a Sophia in Kumasi to come and see the current state of a actor company. Not to mock him, but for us to help him. It's not just him. I think Nima Mesoso is suffering from something. For all of us to help him and then the mom. Here in a Sophia, in a bit I'll go to company for him to tell us everything and the condition that they are in at the moment. It is sad. I've had some few talks with them since I'm here, and any idea somebody might even wish for his or her enemy. It is sad that I think all of us, everything about you try not yemboa. Before I make a company, I can't just say call adwumaonline.com. If you're somebody that will provide a service, no, say no online na abaso. adwumaonline.com has been created say for you to about so beautician or your graphic designer or your sound engineer way just go put your profile there. People come there. I'm pay services of such people. They just find you guys meet up, you work and you're good to go. Be enjoy share. Because will be a free advertisement. That is how Adwuma Online works. Until we will be able to provide a service. Log on to Adwuma Online, register there, also put service. Go there, search for service. Maybe search for the person. The good thing about Adwuma Online is say a Sophia say if I log on adwumaonline.com, now me can ask number mechanical. I best search for mechanical around, not fast. Go on adwumaonline.com. Put your service there. Also call the copy Adwuma Obi service or on me MWOW. Obi and charge a free on adwumaonline.com. Now Diaspora Insurance say no ye bana amafonia briomon and nam kobabusiana in sembe afi 2 a year sheda. Almost say almost person money to cha. So insure your family members. Now some tour they help you up to £20,000 for you to give such a person a befitting burial. Diaspora Insurance. Log on diasporainsurance.com. They'll help you. Na bibia akono wano amount. Na yeba when you are now in to. Make a abucha send you tap send so to. Now that's what everybody uses. To send money to family and friends here in Ghana, tap send is what everybody is using. US, Canada, Germany, Italy, Holland, France, Spain. Use tap send. Send it Cabra Busha for Chroma say. Now I'm also no omo entimi enyu evanye bibi enfamon. Tap send. O send this money share. No e-levy also apply. I'll be back after the break. Me ba. Zionfelix, many actor company.
Let's place a bet on this afternoon's game.
And this evening's action, bro. And 3 more tomorrow.
Okay, remember, when I slow down, when I take a break, and I stop chasing losses and stick to my budget, that's when I'm going to have a lot more fun. So, let's place a bet on this afternoon's game. Bet responsibly. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
As I told you before the commercial break, I was zooming into conversation with my guy, company, who happens to be an actor. The first time we talked was so many years back. Bucho baby, I think no mucha movie be and a kasaya and then Miss Bano Abishano how yes. What to say?
Oh, Chama, Ben. And then they were by any baby. I can't do so.
But why dress like this nowadays?
I say, assassin. Baby, when it's in Suno Toa, a Giliba, is a main one. As almost team a bedroom, or mamma team.
Okay.
To almost team do half. anka ese wo mu wie ni no ano
okay
man wie tin so ni to a e ba ye den ni tin kana ye hia mo ye hia anwa ne cement
so to a e ba mu dan ni inside
e ba dan ni
okay so what is here
so Debbie te see no on say ne case in beto abontin na man for supporting
okay
and one we akra na gina we na send anwa no
so
yeah
so let's take a trip there yanko how the place looks like before say we call omami issue company any can call hon into also in so
to like a year and a year
okay
more video no po me phone so I'm post it
for how long na ma ha say
na first ana na yo yesusu an ba na nsuo no to a ba en yiri wa ba emu ebe se san no ntina me waka
okay
tina ma me so that times na afi na adwuma yi afa ma me company ye hu me waka timo na skala ka me nya no tina ma me sende kaka ka ba fie nti e ko ye se me bra so na adwuma wo ye no so no onto wo big shop ano sa ti se more shop ni bi you know like one manager or back
okay
ti be do baby na ko say e ma me se nani back I say wo hu ade papa say
when was that like that be
ache e ti say o sha te ka say nani no ache ba enche ti say 20 it ma ka say 2022 e balance mu na e be serious na e ba pe ti afi ade no say o hu ade afi be do baby no still na onwa de ntia de ne ko hospital tina akwa say every month bia no anza wo ba okokwa nsum na so ti bamba cho meti mama me bra so aka ho say
oh but
bra waza bra chama bra
okay
ade medium
wo dey am timi
tina akwa say ese so no abura na ye wo no o fe say nani no ba bi edu no ase nani na say ohun ade tina ekwa adwe se bia oboa ti e ba na ye de wi aye na na de no call hospital te de no call hospital na mo che se te na abeto nani so nani no na mundu a na onu no minti me bra ni fe no azak
bra panyi
me bra panyi
okay
now like otumu afutu bebe ba aso den na ma anya den ma amfa na ma nyema we ni abede abetwitwa ya kwan
asase won asase
ndem me papa asase
okay
na ba untem
okay
to we na akwese ese ye de etribu bom ye de survive teni mo na dwo e fama amena me we akuma wudin that time na me twitwa adwuma nti enimu ho na me call aka no
dia ma kwa aka because wo kuma so onye betwa pa
na de na mam kwa aka na that time na me ni atom na
okay
ena mam de baka
nti aso uja wadwuma ho ko di atomachi
atom de me chia like me so me man hu say me godmother ene na nama
okay
na mommy mama tia say mini problem on atom kra woni mu no da
okay
ti so hia me a obefre na
okay but they didn't ma uja wadwuma to so ko di atomachi ko atomachi
na that time
movie
na a music video you ko na nyom no na video ni na de etwa man ti eshi and the way me act sa wo ewi no so wo Felix one me ye de nanti ti mu onum na kontu sem by na ke say on ensem bebe esen ke ekọ no no nko aye de
country be
oko country ti say on say apple for be issue na nyum no
yeah
ma oko countries be 5 say 4 so
no san ko no ko
nke na nka so on that time ni no ye share no na music video no ba na atom no bi adwe say na me ya atom no ba na ye onu mum na ede ya atom ba ti na ekuba bi ashu me na me sa na ade na enyum no so minim to ti me a ekoluku se na me atom tem ye nice kopim time a adwuma sha se ase na ma frame adwuma se frame se yemfa member ensem bebre ka se kampo anti
nte banza woni atentete
ne mam ni ntentete se we na ma frame adwuma na ka so de me kono na o ma ne manager fufu etu card me ye de eko to ko ye no na ma se rooms na ye de ayima ti me ne de nko anopa na ma ye de maba na atom so that time so aka fin ma back e piano pa o baby miensa ya medala pasa ekwakoda awush ana so too ti no baby me nsa wa wente ti baby e call ye nti ade chi nam ka ye ko show nam ka chense mommy say e ya family de beba on frɛ mommy wa frɛ ti ye ko e kwan so na baby e fa no na e ko pie omo so no mutwa sin to mutwa sin ne ntimi mtwa monko ade e ho na ye dane ye ho ye de eba ti e ba ko ba e ma me mommy mbufu mi e ma obo
ene wakada ene manisi wakada mbese be ko bi mi
e honom nti e ma I say mommy lose trust o mo ase me serious ti me bo modern ase maybe bia me mommy ni be de e be chi e mo honom so na be fa ma like ti na like me nipa ti like frɛ me say oh member na enye de enye adwuma by another time me nega me no waka no na me so beti mai de aboa me by wanye de wan bo ma fe me nega no skaba ni nsem na say ne okoi different thing and I say something ubedidi a e channel YouTube channel na be mo ide edidi ti me create channel no bia amanfo ani ko competitive ho a nka me no how bia
but channel you said that na udidi you have to also put something out
na e de nam so na e de and na YouTube no so no utwa so na uni bandits kan sa anya mana ne no e ha adwen ti na ko ensem bebre
okay
ba nipa ba ko nam face ni no
okay you know sa that we see I'm not sure say metima ko bi because metima ko ya no ya because
atache nto be wo pabo an dia
yes me going back bed there mama
yes
because okay I'm so for board to small man okay nti ina ni ko kakra so when I put here as structure
we ye papa na sha ase
okay
sha ase no nti ska ba na esisi
obebo am ya busy ga
esisi ase ti that time na adwuma ye no eno ana na de ye de e ko down
okay
so I just nti abuwa na ni no so sha ase no
how many rooms
two rooms
okay nti no mu panya we yesu my plaster hanyina
we mu na
plan say also we need structure wo
okay
I would do your holo so you buy no eno an ni ye de that's
okay
but then na e na say you can see a plaster na renovation we be ti ya yesa obi manfo na ye ya dom edomo ya nwa wan
and me feel kwa de say no that na also work on too
yeah and obi so boy smell 20 bucks
okay
ti no na yes and yes area the plaster e ho Celeb yansu ne background na enya kwan fa ase ne
ba asasne nye waterlog area like nye bia nsu ewo
ewo bia nsu wo o hwe ne secret to sen college
diago yeah
but o hwe asori den ya na me ne kasi da wa o hwe foundation
no mo da so dan
yeah
nsu to ahonam koda
yeah nti o hwe foundation e wo na me very certain says nya say to me ready foundation e bro sa we can stay
ewa hase but say dem say we to be asa raise foundation bi
sisi edan na esie wi no say your other
okay metima to animu
no metima to animu no but if free bibia wo gina e ko esu ani na ye de
okay yes so te hanyi na ya mo dia okay obi anu be ye ho fight
that obi a de ani okromafo ni
obi ani ma me
for but obi yes you betina say
okay
ya ba na ni no entisa
okay
na ya rete na beto ni so na say no spending na high
mo say like nya for me say
for
ya for two na ka we
two na kana ba kwa worry ana ba
ko school ona yesha na
kwa say high school be
no Agogo State
okay Agogo State Konongo okay Agogo Konongo okay that's fine and you know in so to e dey be how many days as na atwako
well in so to because of say war ni wi and speed beba nti etia edinsu no ebeba ba beta for some like an hour or half an like 1.5 hour bi na enyanto wa say dey actually ho aye dey eko so na me sure nti ke bia gin itimi jif eje itimi to wall afa ho a me sure sense no ba intimi ba inside hase ebe fa wall na chimum na nka aye dey to say the church na say your foundation. So the plan is one is kind of away in summer. Sa level of foundation, you make it be pija. Now, yeah, the company is really comfortable.
Okay. Yeah, share and no more. Since it's just a benny.
It's when a chassis by because you buy a crampono, you buy the also you buy a bill who the wheels when you go put the medical tool, you see.
2-1.
2-1, say. But I say, Mamma may area no. A bed, I continue or say a day. Yes, I this Kakakana, the buy a day projects as the core hospital, home 1-2-1-2. Now,
Habi, like, what should you area now? Like, is it a place I be able to me? I see that woman at them.
Well, Ebe, think say when you the right materials, any other day you can stay.
Okay. Washroom inside.
Washroom inside.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Washroom inside. It is a ultimate standard be a very normal for you can stay. Because I sorry for no in soon can put you can be right or morning and come. But who's in soon let me afa or more foundation but then I'm back up. So let me check.
Okay. What are some of the properties in so I say or more?
I
say your fridges, I say your phones, I say your TVs. So as I say, a chair, buckets, a chinema baby requires spoons, everything. So I say, today, sorry, I be who and I attach it as Sunday. I clearly as I use it.
It was I've witnessed this kind of thing before when I was young, and they can't say, Mr. Panama, I'm a sorry, wow, new Kumasano, Bomso, Susanso, Family Chapel, Methodist, and Christ Ambassadors, or more. In Sunano, I was Susan's one. To me, I'm Christ Ambassadors. Family Chapel, and I went anymore. Now Methodist to us, so now Christ Ambassadors to us. So in so bar, in so tar, a swimming pool, I saw you now, the whole area, a swimming pool. But what done at 12 o'clock? Now, what's in the same room? It's only to me a pager mattress now, like Obaso, what's in the same room. And quite a day, they say Saturday, you may. Most days I saw them a year, no matter that. Say you come, my dear Sunday, I'm sorry them. I bet you not a higher. I said, Muchaman is only criminal proper or proper. I saw you and son of my church. You know, I've experienced this before, so I know how it is. It is not a good thing. You can't make anybody because TV best say, over top of and as a best say, like so many things best say. So let's help company and his family. How can I call? She's Mammy too. I'll go there, but I just wanted to finish with this one. So what kind of a company enables you for pay?
Well, more dear.
Remember,
more dear baby break. Because you hear cement. So I'm going to make sure you be feeling or see it me a feeling crack.
Yeah.
Near Monday be brave, you be here house.
Okay.
Kakra, you said the bit made me to my brother and you be into either. Construction work is there. Iron rod, and the chip is here, the casting. We will be sure say inside, you know, yeah, chip, my father, chips and casting. So the Susan, you are near, yeah. Go back and I see any for now. You can still feel it inside. Say, as a name.
Okay.
So, say, be a concrete, those stones, me go now. We beat me quiet. I don't know, maybe a frania. And we will beat me, be a construction material, be a boama, Hanuma, man. Yes, stresses are. We beat me a boa, no boa.
Okay.
I the boss no be any company TV no problem be bring you there.
Okay. My number beats me a boy, so in case they want to send money, in case you want to call her. My number beats me.
But your number is 054 97 31 824 054 97 31 824 054 97 31 824.
It didn't be also.
It didn't until Asana Boniface.
Why do you know?
Mammy.
Okay, one didn't also. Okay, it's in your number. Then your brand or my number. Company. People are saying, say, Unyeska.
Yeah.
Uya Jumano. Unyeska.
And I make us a minyano. Yes, I did you. I had a buone nino. I quite say nino, a binini. Tisina Besse, abeka ba ko no tina say hospital na every month busumi bia so no na e money ska do there of course but then so ska na de man e keka ko 700 700 cedis every month bia eso for so no nya de ko tina ko say wo nya nkoso a ekuru no ya na ye de
koso
koso nti ya wa tina say no na mse metimi ba me iske wo mo na me support ye ebedu baby na I say afi no I say menu abanso no so no mu wa na da bra bibia ye okay no ono no okoeses awo ya bewi
nto no no he no
ono me a se me ne wo ka say obedidi gina ya so ba na me say ma me na ya sere no otene nche wo no ona in case say ebi na ye nua ba ko so abawe e wo kromo
akogo no
okay nti ya in case say onifia na akochoko nche more than tina go za bo ene ni aba no ma fa ma tudwa me di ya ye den e wo mu ma me so nye say de wo ni afa wo no onye ni freni obi se obi oni ma me na race course na ye wo
race course
yeah wo race course yes
so can you tell race course
yes race course
okay
e hono na no obi eni ma me
okay
ti akwa say nye sana na otie ti awe ni bebo mu no na be ma ye na me ye ni mema menu peso aye wo fi obi ase
o school oba na de warranty oba okay
ti ye menu pe
me camp be di no me eni hu komo na ma me neto a in fact you call Ubuhuno. But before the company, I'm going to have some questions to ask him. Things that people have been saying on social media about him. Before we continue, but I'm sure who UK na person shipping at the Ghana, Best Deal Shipping Company Limited. I'm sure from na Omumbwa na shipping onoma Fabra Ghana. Best Deal Shipping Company. They are very good. Whenever a door-to-door service there, they will come to your doorstep in the UK. Ombefa at the end, no Ghana or doorstep and same. So just go to Best Deal Shipping Company Limited and transact with them. Open so so you can Best Deal Shipping Company Limited deal with them. Not nice luxury here. So say oba wig dear obiashibi. Dollar no cost there, but best nice luxury here say still now price no remains the same, even though they buy their way straight from factory. No, or clients want to know the prices are still the same. Any wig be PBR no. Patcho contact Nas luxury here. I'm not mad to watch wig money here wedding. McBrown, who know TV, United Showbiz BR, and Nas luxury here for and supporting with wig. Just call them on 0243 666 176 0243 666 176. Wig BR PBR or meet me about now. When you're good so now confirm drop a taxi hailing service. Confirm drop CONFAMDORP. Download it on Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Start ordering your ride. Na enfan ko baby apeso okobia price no form na security see tight enyo mo na driver ba fa car na ya join no no e be ni confirm drop. So now your driver so sign up on confirm drop na deal with them. Now we so my bit store say it's a cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and people are trading in it. Download my bit store MYBITSTORE. Download it on your Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Start trading. Good news, they say promotion. There's no charges or hidden charges on my bit store whenever you are trading your Bitcoin or your crypto. Download it. Start trading on it. Maybe as Zionfelix. I'll be back. Maybe things people are asking about company. I'll ask all of them. My name is Zionfelix.
Boss in Europe. Let me join Tap Send.
I'm in Spain. I'm in Madrid. Oh, and Tap Send is having a double referral bonus promo. You don't know. That's why I'm here. So me too, I'm going to refer people in the USA and I'm going to get double my promo bonus. So meaning, if you're in the USA, you can also refer people in USA and you'll get double your referral bonus. If you're in Canada, you can do same. If you're in UK, you can do same. If you're in Europe, many countries in Europe, you can also do same. So join this promo, and this promo starts from now and ends in October. My brother, don't do, and it's double the promo bonus.
Download Tap Send now on Google Play and App Store. Tap Send. It's secure, convenient, easy, and fast.
Right behind me, a company. Ne mami, Patricia Frozen. You find say?
Asana.
Boniface. Okay, Asana Boniface happens to be her name. Let me ask you this. I'm sure you might have seen it, and I say, what? Say, Tamana on yes cano. Now, what they share a lot.
There be no, yes, and a na me send be my mama. Send be my mama. Na fire there a car and on quantity and Sanka, I want to see into me there. And Vanessa. I read and Nino a tenor. I have a beton and so, and a money per pounds in my head. Say.
Oh, okay. Okay. For how long? And mommy, any nicer? Young one in temperature.
But you're in there. I check. Bye. Na any back on so. Na any back on so. Na back. See, the one not such as a back on. Then you have no hospital. I'm going to check. I feel you up so chase as I high. So, no quite put church away.
Yeah, as a Nino, you're the Quago.
What's your time way?
You need once an amateur project an air yellow. It's a Namson and anybody is serious. Nenukusian I read
a banner saying
Nenino,
Yariano.
Well, no complain, say, okay,
okay,
well, no complain, say, I ain't near day, any ya, a woman and near near. But no, your friends say painkiller beer sometimes a bar or toy day, and no. Na pains near day. Okay. Into the nimno. Well, so all of a sudden they who say there's white thing be able to any kusia blackness. Good. No, just say as a I don't see those who are in a te. Into another cover and then no phone who so she was only using the it was the left eye. And then the NBBR. That was when they were crying, yeah, so catch yourself, you grandpa, then you know, back on, I come back on the moon, the BBI any blare. So, the picture. Until the India started a check, or name Papa singing, I proposed to one more because me sees me who said, me late father, now me late father a pen drum and in the morning, you know. So, the or the woo, to send the tuning on you. Me patron, I see the 2 years or see Ohushi. Like Ohuni Pana was a blare, why a blare? I said, there is this white thing now they cover black. Neda.
And you say Obijama Hunipacro.
Original ma. Original who do crack camera. Why, you know, that's the kind of thing. He say, I want to obedience or head and Nina. You could see that how any man, patron, how any manager. Was it there's something white on white in our better so. I say, but also better see so.
But how old is she?
She's 56. Okay. Yeah, she's 56. Yeah.
So and I'm been to afa.
Well, you buy, you know. Now the eye problem, you start T projects then the eye problem. And I'm cancer they call Agogo hospital or Kromo catchers in the Nina day. Any because Omuhuni say Omudi machine and Nina bread like at a crab and Nini. Oh, hey, Nini, I just in Yamin a better day. A bit my bum. To prescribing Drew, Eddie man say or no sign Drew now. It can probably kill the Kuno or in this one. To man eye drops in taps be an or say or headache or no, and also pressure side. And your man is Andrew Nina. To obey no, a sigh, and you go pay be a day. A cow, even because of the eye input. I mean, say, the pharmacy need to pay antibiotic, say a chronabia, antibiotic bits my headache. A kuno. Hey, Sandro, now you could give you a buy in and a crumple a woman and Nino, which is see red. But first night, Osha, none any mean bread. But now, I say, a white, but the only white thing that black in this one. Any problem.
The doctors so meet me about.
Well, doctors can't say or meet my boy because so far more you who want to say any. But just what I say, you call Agogo Hono or much say any. I just say Yamede, a boom. What I say, and so far no, or free I will go by and drew the man in the man on nominated a tokano on 1 day, one complaining about pains again. Say be a man in me,
and about
Unwadi. So right now the situation is Unwadi, who be white, black because of Saturday white snapper to the new question. So the money who be say white. Okay. So who say I just say ordinary sabo say busa say whiny. no about the actual no and only more voice no wap sa no the level
that's into Oguzuko hospital.
Well, hospital no yeah I say yeah call that was last week Saturday no mo catch say fan brain ram fan brain Monday no it's a sign you didn't call so hospital say fan you call no mo catch Saturday so mo nya adwuma I just say Monday fan bra ti Monday ni so be drew you know na Messi ni no
o say mo fan man nyed en obede
ya fan bra no mo hwe ne ni hu yare a e wo so
ba mo ka say e be yi
omo nhwe mpo omo kire say ya fan bra because that very day ne buy no omo nya adwuma.
So apart from agogo no fan ko bia
apart from agogo no fan ko apart from agogo no any offense ho no no ya fan ko bia bio
mo ne ko agogo da be
agogo edini ko e ko be 3 months ni ma ana ebro
it na ni ye da nya no hospital
na ni ye da nya no hospital no onum painkillers ni eye drops like eye drops
as ono ko pharmacy
no one ko pharmacy no akoto so on the make sure no
ta because okona too late
it ye honum na offer me say ohie ska to edu ade ya e wo me ho a ne hia say ma send ya ma no akoto we me busan say ya o say ye ne wato no so to say ya nkase ba ya ye be hu say critically the say na bibia ede abe because me go be na ma hu say I say ontimi ohu ade or pade coordinates na ede and then from that na me suspect who say no I say ma me no ede ono ko anka nchem so ohu ade so me rere man no ka chem say na ade ne tie ohu ade ba ye ble ana pade so I should not say ede and then am from so
I'm in a company kasa
okay
so okay
yeah and send me ti akoso obi nima tenten ma sam me old name bi so be hia me na ma name bi wo bi dwi say wo ye ba na nye sana name hede ti me issue no na ne pedi ya na ya wo ye de e wo ni mu ese ni pa yo okay ni pa na ni pa mzo yo okay so no okay ma me ni kura say ohun ade they say doctor say so no kede akono ma chese bi o me de ahye machine pa o betima operation po na ka semwo wa ka su bi
because the company has a lot of issues at hand yentimi nyina influence there but I think we can help ease the weight on his head or his shoulder yentimi ntamina but kakra bi betima bo na pacho me mbo betima anya na mana ma bi ma me more company no so no the name to me
mbacho
okay 054 9731824 054 9731824 that is the number me pacho yamwana why company what the video better about it's been I think me call you the 2 weeks so I think it's been a little over 2 weeks we industry for even before the better one who free big bomb money about your current state and no my condition
so my free be my bomb money my friend mama dey my friend na nama I one fana is why busy but we been tin on na me friend na one for buy but me feel like money pay for ni so ide I catch me but me no bia na my ide my friend na catch him
what was the response I mean more from no
but papa we man no ka o se friend say no to cement in there and some man be organa we fin this ko see TV say
say Nanaba TV
yeah on neba ebe my anyasika say fa anyano na ma me be support you cement no na eji
ma o industry for no bia o di video to want to be anfrel
Obia Maha, Obia Sunyamba. We don't know, maybe a bit more busy.
Yeah, then they'll come later.
Then they will come later. In the say Bia or Cassette.
No, yeah.
But a bit more busy for this particular moment. To me, GD say when the right time comes, they will welcome.
I was let's all help company. Why? No money, but let's all help company now. The state of one you've seen where he lives. In so try flooded the place. it is not a nice experience. Me have experienced this so many times. And it's a feel my Canada. Nah, sorry. It is not a nice feeling. Any nice feeling. In so gonna you company ya say akona afena atachena woman about betino. Na one mu na one anya na house come a bush. So what there o me fan easy. You kwa ho na bush o e krom all the time. Na abobi on no moja like some no otare ho a no moja to more right.
Yeah.
No any nice feeling ebusia. Me I've experienced it before. Like you
nice
because of the water. So 247 million. I was me so me kwa ne be ma no. Nti wa say yeah, me na was me hwe making sure say it's straight, you know, we are feeling comfortable.
Nti that has in so area.
When so area say any options are higher na be.
I want him.
Yeah.
Yeah, the ntuma ba. Aja e dey say on my cartel one ya chewe.
So no share send the higher na ida.
A beggar has no choice.
Pastor Sabiame. Mbache yemwa ubitimi ya keto bensa. Yemwa na so now Skaneba, what is the next immediate thing I'm moye?
This is Skaneba.
But before you answer that, the number before some rebel number ni pa 0549 73 18 24. 0549 73 18 24 is the number. You can help. Ketobienso. The immediate thing is Skaneba may say there.
See the immediate thing is Skaneba be use no. War no.
Okay.
And a feeling.
Okay.
And a feeling.
Okay.
Yeah. Near trap blocks in Subi. Na ya you know you more blocks they are raising war no.
Okay.
Say because in Sunisi bano. Na nka yetimi agene aka so ho ayede. Aka ho.
Okay.
It is say nya bibi so adom bi obi abe dum me be ba we are going to make good use of it. And as you can see by omo donate my and we are working.
Yeah.
You tuanika.
Me sha nko ni agero. Ono na musu mpo say inso na tene.
Etene ko.
So
Eh.
Nko nya swimming pool, natural swimming pool no media go ase.
Say ya immediate money now. The only good we want is like your mother and son. So we make sure this kind of dia higher no CCC because okaso obewa current here at the end of the day, you know, we lease vessel. You have to repay. You understand? Maybe in a situation at that particular moment, and yet then now as I square back to square one. But I say now I want to. You have a panagia man who and I think say help people balance it to me. Yeah, it will be a be lasting and a be boy. So
thank you very much, company. And I will say, but your final words, Nianko.
The final words, I'm going to say, Bibiala, only my mammy na. Can you name a book and came babonti? Can you put to my hand, don't know? But baby, and Nina do could do it. You point to me and don't know. To me, sorry. Say, be my cassette, you'll be there, and my baby, I won't pay. And I say, my baby, I will need Jane. We are sorry for that. But be a show, be a boy.
Aside accommodation and mommy's eye, no
company TV, no some person shall say,
most subscribe to his channel, no company TV. Did you want to say, I mean, how she feel and all that?
We can't even see. We can't even get me. More to see when you so I say, near me go so it's so to a check and you're in sometimes we don't even have pocket money, but you need to inquire around for access. So we just have to starve and then the next day, near who you way forward. So it's the way situation is here. And so they better my it takes things out. So let me show you. Also, a banner be room canna and continue the best return it. Into a DB more a DB bit my muscle, and there could be an edicle. You understand? You never say, never you go about and say, we don't even so on. The your mattress, everything. The say, so let me show you. From the head, so we just plead and say, Moabia will be able to my boy now at least. Because no knows tomorrow.
Ochamia only nasan karas nana. Ore wasumwa. Hanam dibisi. Bye bye.
Forever Construction and Consultancy Limited. Say the domenya and sasia ye kan wasem to nchenia. Obi ewo akrampa ewo kaswa budumbura nkwan ye mu. From CAF University, ko hoye bese 15 minutes drive obi pe. Afei, Dodowa Hills. Be 10 minutes drive be to Government Hospital. And na Ebri in Sawam Road, Obodan, 10 minutes drive from Sawam Government Hospital towards Ebri. Say a litigation free land. Asasia yen to Swanua. Asasia a registered. Asasia ensure light any aquam papa wadia. A forever construction. 0501 51 8347 and a 050 99 99 828. Forever construction. Asasia asim bien ni hon.